Hello friends, welcome back to Active Education Pro. In this video, once again I came back with the second series, second part of properties of rational numbers on 8th class mathematics. Okay, last video I told you about, we discussed about closure property, but yes, in this video we are going to discuss about the second property. This is commutative property. So like as well as closure property, we will discuss one by one for each operation in mathematics. So first check the commutative property for addition. Each addition of rational numbers commutative or not? Does it holds true for commutative property or not? So let's start with the example. First check it for addition operation. One more request, please watch the entire video so that you don't have any doubt regarding these properties of rational numbers. So now let's start to check whether the addition of rational numbers is commutative or not. Commutative property. For checking commutative property, first take two rational numbers. Because we check it for rational numbers, we know it very well that commutative property we have studied for whole numbers, integers, but right now we learn for rational numbers. So first take two rational numbers, one is a and another is b. A plus b, the sum result of a plus b is equal to the sum result of b plus a. Then addition of rational numbers is commutative. Again I repeat it, where commutative means the change of its order. In here first we add a with b, but in this case we add b with a. So commutative means change of its order. First a, second b. In this case first b and then a. If a plus b is equal to b plus a plus b is equal to b plus a, so addition of rational numbers is commutative. So take some numerical rational numbers for examples. Let first rational number is 2 by 5 and another rational number is 3 by 6. Then add it first. A plus b is equal to 2 by 5 plus 3 by 6. 30. Take the LCM of 5 and 6. 30. 12 plus 27 by 30. After adding a plus b means 2 by 5 plus 3 by 6, it comes out 27 by 30. It is a rational number. Again add b plus a. You have to check b plus a. B plus a means 3 by 6 plus 2 by 5. Then take the LCM of the denominator, 30, then 15 plus 12, and yes, it comes out 27 by 30. Just check these two sum results. Here a plus b is 27 by 30, and in this case a b plus a, the sum result is also 27 by 30. So finally our result is a plus b is equal to b plus a. So addition of rational numbers is purely commutative. Addition holds true for commutative property. So next check for subtraction. Subtraction, yes. Now as like as addition, take two rational numbers a and b. If the subtraction result of a minus b is same as b minus a, then subtraction follows the commutative property, otherwise doesn't follow. Okay, so but here in this case a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Check for these properties, check for this condition. First 2 by 3 and another number is 3 by 5. Suppose one rational number is 2 by 3 and another rational number is 3 by 5. Then first subtract it, a minus b. This is a and this is b. A minus b means 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5. Take the LCM of the denominator. It is 15. It's 6 minus 10 9 1 by 15. Whether you check it again for b minus a means 3 by 5 minus 2 by 3. So take the LCM. Yes, denominator LCM of denominator is 15. 3 3 is a 9 minus 15 by 3 is 5. 5 2 is a 10. Here it is minus 1 by 15. Just take these two values here, 1 by 15, and this is the result for b minus a is minus 1 by 15. These are not the equal values of a minus b and b minus a. Both are different from each other because 1 by 15 is a positive rational number, where the minus 1 by 15 is a negative rational number. Totally changed. Okay, so a minus b is not equal to b minus a. So subtraction of rational number is not commutative. Subtraction doesn't hold true for commutative property. So next, for multiplication, check whether multiplication is commutative or not for rational numbers. Let's move on to the multiplication. Check multiplication is commutative or not commutative for rational numbers. Now take two rational numbers like addition, subtraction, a and b. A product b is equal to b product a. So multiplication is commutative for rational numbers. Check by taking numerical examples. Okay, a is 2 by 3 and b is 7 by 5. Then first find out the product result of a and b. A with b, a multiplied with b, and in next case b multiplied with a. Again I repeat it, commutative means change of its order. In our left side a multiplied with b, but in our right side b multiplied with a. So first check for a product b. 2 by 3 into 7 by 5 is equal to 14 by 15. This is the product result of when a multiplied with b. And then check for b product a. 7 by 5 into 2 by 3. It is also 14 by 15. So check these are equal. Means a when multiplied with b is equal to when b multiplied with a. Both product result of a and b is equal. So the multiplication of rational numbers is commutative. It is the rule. Multiplication of rational numbers is commutative. So next number to check for division is commutative or not. Division. So take two rational numbers. Suppose a and b are the two rational numbers. A divided by b is not equal to b divided by a. A divided by b is not equal to b divided by a. So division of rational numbers is not commutative. Division of rational numbers is not commutative. It doesn't satisfy the rule because it is not equal to b when divided by a. Check for division by taking rational numbers numeric. Suppose a is 2 by 3 and b is 3 by 5. Then first divide a divided by b. Means 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. In my last video of how to divide rational numbers, I told you that division of rational numbers is a special type of multiplication. 5 by 3. 2 by 3 into 5 by 3. Your answer is 10 by 3 3 is 9. 10 by 9. It is the result of when a divided by b. Next, b divided by a. 3 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. So 3 by 5 into 3 by 2, it is 9 by 10. Check whether both the divisional result are same or not. Yes, these are not same. These are totally different from each other, because in this case, in first division result, when A divided by B and the next result B divided by A, totally change its place of numerator and denominator got exchanged. Numerator and denominator place are got exchanged. See here, 10 as numerator, but in second case 10 is as denominator. 9 is denominator, in second case 9 is as numerator. So A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. So division is not commutative. Again I repeat it, in commutative properties only multiplication and addition satisfies commutative property, otherwise division and subtraction is not commutative for rational numbers. Okay, this is all about commutative property with examples. Make your own note for your future reference, and please, as much as you can, subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video. Press the bell icon for latest update of my video. Thank you.